Hiyo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you guys when adding MLA Works Cited page in or in Google Docs. If you don't know how to do this should just a step by step. It's very straight to the point. Um, Remember, all MLA Works Cited pages have their own page. So you add this at the very end, it gets its own page. It is not part of or in the essay in any way. It's at the very end on its own separate page. So just remember that. I'm going to show you a fast, easy way to do this. We're going to do it in three different ways. I'm going to show you how to do it with a book, how to do it with a website, and how to do it with a video. Maybe you had an online video, or maybe you had a movie or something. So what we're going to do is, first and foremost, we're going to go up here to Tools, and we're going to slide over to Citations right now. Go ahead and open Citations. Make sure, because we're doing an MLA, we're going to make sure that MLA 8th edition is clicked. And let me get rid of this one. And we have our citation right here. We're going to go ahead and add. Now, we have a book. We have book section, website, journal, newspaper article, films, a TV series, TV episode, and miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is pretty much anything that is not one of these. Um, so what we're going to do next is we're going to do a book. So we want to collect book. We have to go down to the section option. How did we access the book? You have print, which is a physical copy. Website means you have an article of it somewhere. It's a PDF or it's on a website. And an online database means you're reading it on a secure website that, something along the lines of Amazon has its own online database, and it'll give its own link, and you can use that. It'll give its own little number. But in this case, we're going to do it as a print. So we'll hit print. We need to get this ISBN number. This is typically on the book. Okay, it's typically on the back of the book where the barcode is. But let's say for this case we don't have it. We're going to go on over to Amazon actually. And here's the book. I already had it typed up. This is the book I'm looking for. And I want to go down here. Typically, you'll see it'll start off down here with information about the book. Sometimes it's off to the side. What you're looking for is the 13-digit ISBN number, which is this one right here. I'm going to take this whole thing and I'm going to copy it. Okay, and then I'm going to take it back over here, and then I'm going to paste it into this section. Once it's here, just hit search. The work was done for you. You're going to go ahead and hit continue. Don't worry about all this information. Just go down here and hit add citation, and there it is. There's your book. Okay. Now, let's say you have a website. We want to do a website now. We're going to go up here. We'll go to website. We'll have it accessed by a website. So we need a web address. So let's say I was working on this. I have this article right here. I want to use this article. I need to take this address. So I'll copy it, do it just the same way, paste, and search. All the work was done. It's all here. It's the New York Times. The article title was The Long and Tortured History of Cancel Culture. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'll hit continue. And again, don't mess with anything here. And I'm going to add citation. Okay. Now, let's say I did a video too. I had a third source. I had a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here. And as you can see, a video, like say YouTube or something, it's not here. However, YouTube is a website. Okay, YouTube's a website. So I'm going to go ahead and go to website again. Then I'm going to go up here. I want to use this video. And I'm going to go over here, click on it, copy the link again. And I'm going to put it in here. And it's going to identify that it's a YouTube video. It'll have the link, it'll have the title, the date it was published, the date I accessed it, and then the author of the video, the person that uploaded the video and put it up there. Okay, so I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to add the citation. So I have three different sources here. Now, when I insert it, this is the tricky part. I want to make sure that my cursor is separated from the rest of my words, and I'm just going to go ahead and insert works cited. And when I do, I'll get this, right? And like we said, we want to be its own page. So what we could do is we could just enter till we get to its own page, just like that. We could do it that way. Or if we go back, we do something along the lines of this, or we can just go down and create a new page. Boop, there it is. And then we make sure that it's in the right format. We have Times New Roman. and we go to 12 font. There it is, and insert, and there it is. I don't have to do anything else. It's formatted the way it needs to be formatted. I don't have to add any more enters or more spaces or paragraph spaces. It's all set for you, just right there.